Yeah. Towards the White House again, I think. You ready?
Battery 90%.
Is that one coming overhead? He's not coming in though, is he? Oh shit, what's he doing?
Battery 80%.
What is he doing? Fast from the left.
Yeah, that was that fast.
Battery 70%. Position hold, altitude hold, active. Chrono, altitude hold, off.
Okay, I'm going to come in if he's hovering around. Oh yeah, departing the airspace. True.
You've got a good 3 minutes for him to come round to...
Battery 60%.
I can't see him, he's gone way over. Well, that's like a pussycat, isn't it?
It's not very comfortable flying.
Imagine that.
It was struggling on the return to home.
Was it?
I had to, yeah, it didn't put in enough throttle. Well, it won't obviously because it's set at a level for normal flying conditions, not like this.
Battery 50%.
Jeez, that wind.
Just maybe he's coming round.
He is coming round. Okay, I'm coming in then.
RF signal low.
Okay, down.